Miss Abode. My name is Patty Beck, and I'd like to welcome you to my historic Carrollton, Mississippi home. Come on in and let me show you my Christmas decorations this year. My husband Danny and I bought this house in 1998. I was really excited to get the house. It's an old home. I think we're only the third family to own it. I just love the character that old homes have that you don't find in new builds. I love my home at Christmas time. I love to decorate the living room and especially the dining room. I use the same decorations year after year. I may purchase a couple of new items every now and then, but I don't think I bought anything new this year. Every year when I go to put my Christmas decorations up, I think, now where did I have that last year? Let me go back in my pictures and see if I can't remember where I put that. And finally, before it's all over, I'm usually just like, just put it up somewhere. I don't care. I don't care where it goes. It'll be pretty. And so that's how this year has turned out. But let me give you a little closer tour of the decorations. This is the view that you see right as you enter the doorway. So I like to have a lot of sparkle and bling and color and fun for people to see. I love the glitter. I love the glitz. I love the glam. But I also like fun things like the football. My boys have been into sports their whole lives. Touchdown. Snowman. A red bird. Red birds are significant to our family. To us, they represent people who we've lost through the years. So they're very special. I like colorful balls. I like colorful picks. And cupcakes. Who wouldn't like a good cupcake? But of course, the main reason for the season is Jesus. And here he is on some sweet ornaments made from oyster shells. We have the nativity with the wise men. I like to add a little color to the furniture in my room. So on my lamps, I tied these sashes that I had monogrammed with B. And these are on all the lamps in my living room. I love this little vignette. We have the manger scene, the nativity with the baby Jesus. And on either side, we have the little drummer boys. This is one of my favorite Christmas cards that we ever sent. On this day, we kept the kids out of school and we went to Graceland. We went to Memphis, Tennessee to see Elvis Presley's Graceland. It's the first time any of us had ever been there. And we were so excited. And the boys posed with Elvis. Well, they were really just on a green screen and they photoshopped Elvis in there. And when I sent the Christmas cards out that year, I sent them to, of course, I sent one to my in-laws, and my father-in-law looked at it and he said, well, who is that those boys are with? And Miss Beck, my mother-in-law, said, well, that's Patty. She just has her sunglasses on. And I laughed so hard about that. I don't think Miss Beck had her glasses on because otherwise she would have definitely recognized Elvis because she's an Elvis fan. This is our mantle, and I decorate it in the same fashion as the other opening over there with the garland and the lights and the colorful balls and ornaments. And here we have our stockings. And believe it or not, even though my boys are grown, Santa Claus still puts goodies in their stockings every Christmas. And then I have the nutcrackers, who flank our peacock. This is our Christmas tree. I usually load all the ornaments on the front of the tree. And after doing that, the tree usually leans to the front. And one year it actually fell on the floor. So to make sure that that never happens again, we secured the tree by putting a screw above the mirror and then tying fishing line to the screw and then tying it around the trunk of the tree. So hopefully the tree will not end up in the floor anytime soon. I learned when my kids were young not to buy breakable ornaments. So all of mine are shatterproof almost. But I also have keepsakes from the boys that they made and pictures of the boys from when they were young. Sometimes when I'm putting the ornaments on the Christmas tree, I get a little sad for the days when they were little. I want to turn the clock back and go back. I love my chandelier, especially at Christmas. I think that the bright, colorful ornaments add lots of cheer and fun to the room. This year I added the disco balls. We like to have Santa Claus in every room of the house. That way the boys are sure to know that Santa Claus is watching, so they better be good. Any of the extra ornaments that I have after decorating the tree, I just put them around in bowls and baskets, just to add a festive flair to all the surfaces in the room. These hydrangeas are from my yard. They dried beautifully, so I use them year after year. This is our dining room. The dining room is always decorated in more of a natural kind of woodsy way with the deer and the greenery and the Christmas trees. But of course, I like to add a little sparkle and bling with the lights and ornaments. Just to give it a festive feel. This is the Christmas tree that I made with my dried flowers. There's Santa Claus. He knows if you've been good or bad. So be good for goodness sake. Well, I believe that does it for the Christmas tour this year. Just know that from my family to yours, we wish you a very Merry Christmas.